Take a deep breath right now before you do anything else today, before you check your phone, before you scroll, before the noise of the world rushes in. I want you to just be here for the 10 minutes because what I'm about to share with you, it's not just motivation, it's not just positive thinking. This is about something ancient, something real, something that is already working for you. Whether you believe it or not, your guardian angel is already moving money, opportunities, and blessings in your direction. Today, we are going to align your mind, your energy, and your belief system so you can actually receive what's already flowing toward you. Here's what nobody tells you about abundance. Money is not the problem, resistance is the problem. Most people wake up every morning and immediately put up walls. They worry, they doubt, they replay old stories. I'm not lucky. Money doesn't come easy for me. Things never work out. And those walls, they block the very flow that's trying to reach you. Think about a river. The water is always moving. It doesn't stop. It doesn't give up. But if you build a dam, even a small one, the water backs up. It can't get through. Your limiting beliefs are that dam. Your guardian angel, your divine guide, your higher power, whatever you call it, is constantly working behind the scenes. Arranging meetings, sending the right people, opening doors, creating coincidences that are not coincidences at all. But you have to take down the dam. You have to allow the flow. I want you to pay attention because right now, if you are watching this, it is not by accident. Here are the signs your guardian angel is shifting things in your favor financially. Sign 1. Unexpected opportunities keep showing up. Sign 2. You keep seeing repeating numbers. Sign 3. Things that felt stuck suddenly start moving. Sign 4. You feel a quiet sense of peace even when things are not perfect. Now I want to give you something practical. A 3-part daily practice to stay in alignment with your money flow. Step 1. Morning gratitude declaration. The moment you wake up before your feet hit the floor, say this out loud. Thank you for the money that is coming to me today. Thank you for the doors that are opening. I am ready, I am worthy, I receive. Step 2. Release the tight grip. Here's a paradox. The tighter you grip money, the more it slips away. Scarcity energy repels abundance. So every day, practice one act of open-handed giving, even small, a tip, a compliment. Sharing someone's work, generosity is the signal you send to the universe that says, I'm not afraid, more is always coming. Evening review. Before you sleep, ask yourself, where did abundance show up for me today? Maybe it was not $1 million, maybe it was a free coffee, a kind word, a parking spot right when you needed it. Train your brain to see abundance, and abundance multiplies. I want to speak to the person who has been grinding for a long time, who has done everything right and still feels like the breakthrough hasn't come. Hear me clearly. The delay is not a denial. Your guardian angel doesn't work on your timeline. It works on the perfect timeline, the one that account for everything you can't see. The connections that need to form the version of you that needs to grow into this blessing. The protection from things that looked like opportunities but would have broken you. What God, the universe, your angels are doing right now is not slow, it is precise. And here's what I know for certain. If you are still standing, still trying, still showing up, you have not been forgetting, you have been prepared. The money that is flowing toward you right now is not a trickle. It is a wave. And waves don't announce themselves before they arrive. Stay ready, stay open, stay grateful. I want you to end this video with one declaration. Say it with me out loud right now. My guardian angel is working for me. Money flows to me easily and freely. Opportunities find me. Doors open for me. I am divinely guided, divinely protected, and divinely provided for. Today things are shifting in my favor. Feel that. Feel that energy. That's not just words. That is your aligning with the truth of your life. Go out today knowing something is moving for you. A call is coming. A check is arriving. A door is cracking open. Stay alert. Stay grateful. Stay in the flow. If this spoke to you, share it with someone who needs to hear it today. Yes. Leave a comment below telling me I am in the flow, because community and declaration are very, very, very powerful. I will see you in the next one. Your breakthrough is coming. Amen.